sun. We'll wake up singing a whole new song. One of these nights, my little love, one of our ships will come in. One of these nights we'll fall asleep, then wake up singing a brand new song. We'll wake up singing a brand new song. So much confusion has entered my life. So much confusion has torn me apart. So much confusion has made me afraid. And I don't know how to love. And I don't know who to trust. And I don't know why that is. My life, so much confusion goes round in my brain. So much confusion has torn me apart. And I don't know how to love. And I don't know who to trust. And I drive away singing a brand new song. We'll wake up singing a brand new song.
Hey Siri, next song.
Oh baby, time over here. Oh, baby, let me make this clear. The time has come. Yeah, the time has come for the truth. For the truth. For the truth. For me and you.
Mother Nature's angry and Cold War wages. Gotta raise your fist, gotta raise your voices. It's made some hard choices. If fires are burning from shore to shore, can't stand the pain in here anymore. Mothers and fathers, gotta protect your kids. Yeah, keep them safe and keep them hid. I've heard there's a light at the end of the tunnel. I've heard there's wisdom and uncertainty. I've heard every cloud has a silver lining. Well, I hope that's true for you and me.
Like a swarm of locusts, the storm shall pass, and we'll be free, free at last. So stand together, one and all. The grass ain't always greener over the wall.
I've heard there's a light at the end of the tunnel. I've heard there's wisdom and uncertainty. I've heard every cloud has a silver lining. Well, I hope that's true for you and me. You were born in California. I was born in FLA. I went out there with a rock and roll band. Yeah, looking for somewhere else to play. You were an angel, an independent girl. You were not afraid of the big wicked world. You took me in and gave me hope when I was at the end of my rope. And I will always be grateful